The telecom industry is racing towards autonomous networks. But there's a problem. Autonomous networks depend on trusted network state. Without it, AI decisions become much harder to validate. As operators move towards AI-driven automation, network changes are increasingly being made by a combination of people, software, and autonomous systems. It's all staggeringly complicated, yet many carriers still manage everything through fragmented tools and disconnected processes.
So I think the industry is at a point that there's so much change happening in the network. Networks are so dynamic that if you're not managing change, you're not managing the configurations, then you're actually putting your business in jeopardy due to security and incident concerns.
The challenge is making sure that automation remains predictable. Operators need to understand not just what's changing, but why it's changing. Keeping track of all of that isn't easy. Modern networks span millions of devices from multiple vendors. The more complex the network, the harder it is to maintain an accurate picture of what's really happening on it. And that's where configuration management comes in.
Configuration management is absolutely key to dealing with day-to-day issues that happen from people making manual changes in the network. By being able to address that in an automated way, you eliminate costs, you eliminate concerns in terms of outages and people making the wrong configurations that can impact the network.
Rather than managing planning, fulfillment, assurance, and network changes as separate operational silos, Blue Planet brings them together across the service cycle into a single workflow.
So AI really requires stateful contextualized data, right? If you apply AI against general data lake strategies, you don't get good outcomes. That's where configuration management is key because it provides the state, it provides the relationship to give AI the outcome it needs.
That means fewer manual interventions, fewer unexpected surprises, and greater confidence as networks become increasingly automated. Autonomous networking isn't a destination operators reach overnight. It's something they build towards, one controlled change at a time.
Configuration change management will play a foundational role in autonomous networking. You will actually trace many of the processes, fulfillment and assurance processes, with an underlying common configuration capability.
Blue Planet's argument is simple. Autonomous networks require trusted network state, and trusted network state requires governance. Blue Planet is showcasing how configuration management, change control, observability, assurance, and AI-driven operations can all work together to create the foundation for safe, scalable, autonomous networking.
If configuration change management works as intended, I think you can expect less outages and more control. I think that outages are the outcome of bad configuration or manual configuration, and control across a fleet of devices based on common policies.
The best way to build a complicated machine is on a stable framework, and that's what Blue Planet is selling. And of course, because it's Blue Planet, it's designed from the ground up to work with solutions from any vendor.
Without that, I don't think you can advance on the autonomous network scale and process.